It's bloody hard. We'll show you how it's done.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
Melbourne Ultra 2K 19.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus.
Look, Will Sparks is on fucking 20 minutes time, mate. Let's fucking do this.
I've been thinking.
I'm Aaron and I'm looking forward to Martin Garrett.
Lately, I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my, I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head.
There's moss on these.
Oh, put them on the ground over there, eh?
Sorry, cheeky fella. No paparazzi, please.
Lucy, come here.
Oh.
You got too much speed.
Can't fall,
My jaw's all on.
can't fall.
What's Andrew doing? Fucking do it. Give me this.
Stay there, bro.